Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today we will try to open the key fob of Volkswagen cars. This is a Tygoon's key. So there is some easy way to open it. Let's try to demonstrate that. So if you have a cover, just take out from the cover, and the key almost looks like this. This has lock buttons and this is logo and all. So first just hold the key like this with the logo on the upper side and click on the lever. So the key will be open and you will get a wedge here. So and what you need is a scissor like this. It's a common kitchen scissor which is available in every home. So use the plastic part of this scissor, insert into this wedge somewhat toward the middle, and grab the key like this and pull it the front side first like this and the back side. Then the cover should be open now, and the battery inside the key fob is CR2032, the very common battery, 3-volt battery, which you can simply remove by clicking it up. I'm not removing right now. So replace with the new one and just close the cover, like placing the wedges on the left side first. Give a push on this side and this side, yeah, and see if it is leveled up, and you can just close the key and it's all ready. Thank you.